JAMB examination is finally over, and like a student who just finished writing JAMB examination, you need to start preparing yourself ahead of the future. What you do right after you finish writing your JAMB examination and before you gain admission into the university goes a long way to affect you in the future. What you do contribute to your success towards what the future. And I in between this time you still have a lot of time, like 1 year or 1 year and 6 months ahead, right? Most students will tend to waste this time achieving nothing. But I don't want you to be like them. This is why I'm giving you updates. So we are going to shift our focus now to some certain content that will come your way, and I'm going to list them to you, right? They are going to be of great help to you to help you shape your future and put you in the right direction. So let's look at what the content we're going to look at. The first we're going to be what mindset and personal growth for students. Yeah, this way I'm going to give you what some mindset, produce video on mindset and personal growth as a student. The second thing we're going to look at is going to be what profitable skill for students. Yes, profitable skill for students. Now, making money as a student, and I'm going to share some digital skill you can learn. You can start learning between the next 6 months, 1 year. You have mastered it and you can monetize it easily. Do you understand? The next thing I want to look at is what future proof and career success for students. Now, most students don't actually know what to do, especially they don't know how to pick the best career for themselves, and they find issue with this because not everybody will actually will study the course they really want to study. Just so I'm going to give you some videos, some content that will be of great help to show you what best career that will fit you as a student. So that is the reason why you really want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? So you don't miss any of those things. The next thing is going to be what productivity and life hack for students. How to become productive as a student. You need to learn some of this productive hack. So by the time you get into the university and institution, you not start having issues like time management and the rest. Now, the last thing which you are going to look at is called relationship and social success for students. Now, this is going to be of great help to you. So these are the 5 things you are going to look at on this YouTube channel, and I know that these are things that will shape you towards the right future. Now, if there's anything you want to do here that I not list, probably is going to interest you, also leave your comment section, and I'm reading the comment section. Anything you suggest, I also pick it up. Just and I also create content on that. My main mission of this video and the upcoming video and this YouTube channel here is to contribute to your success. Just so that by the time you get into the university, you already know what to do. You will not be dependent on your parents for money again. You already know how to make money and how to monetize your skill. Just you can know how to position yourself possibly for opportunity that is coming. Just this thing is going to be of great help to you. That is the reason why I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out. Just all these videos helpful. Please kindly like, subscribe, and comment if this video is helpful, so that YouTube can actually show this video to other persons look for this kind of content. Just